What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, we'll be giving away the LG Stylo 4. To enter this giveaway, there's going to be little different things that I haven't done in the previous giveaways. There's been a humanitarian crisis in Yemen. There's been a war for the past couple years now, and the situation's been getting really bad. So for this giveaway, I want to help those that need medical attention. So I need you guys, my fans, to help me out. To enter this giveaway, you would have to donate a minimum of at least $5 to enter the raffle. Once you enter the raffle and we meet our deadline of the amount that we need, all the information, by the way, is going to be down in the description. Click on it, you'll find more details. Also, we're going to be giving you guys pictures and video proof of all the things that we do with Pure Hands. Pure Hands is the organization that we partner with to help us with the project that we'll be doing in Yemen. The project, just to give you a quick summary, is basically setting up a non-profit pharmacy that will bring the profits in to build either a clinic to help those in need, or those that can't afford the medicine, we'll give it away for free. So again, if you guys want to enter for this giveaway for the LG Stylo 4, please help me down below. Click on the link, donate a minimum of $5. You enter the raffle, I'll contact the winner and I'll ship it out to them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. One more thing guys, no matter how much you can donate will really help out. If you can't put any money, you can at least share this video. That makes a big difference. You might share this to somebody that's able to donate, and this will actually help out.